Well, good morning. It's Glenn with LA Custom Tools. You can see we're out here doing the final prep for our concrete pour today. Over here, you can see we've already poured the cantilevered concrete around the pool. Now we're going to be pouring concrete stepping stones around this area here, and in between those, you'll see the 11 or 12 inch section there. That's all going to be turf, and turf will embrace it on both sides. You can see that we've done the curbing to handle the elevation differences. Signing off from Beaumont, California.